Hello. Uh, Hope that everybody doing well. I am Rashid. I am going to share my experience. Here is my profile. I am also doing product research and Facebook ad campaign running and copywriting also. So I am doing product research using spy tools, some spy tools like Minia to find Pinterest, Facebook, and TikTok also. And I am also using Adspy to find Facebook product and Instagram product, and also other thing, it's a try viral mode. It's also provide trending product and untapped product, and it's ecom profit hub to find anything product. Okay, so my research style is, first I am going to check my first product, and then I check product life sale, still selling or not selling. It's a selling. So this one is 22 minute ago selling at 27 minute ago selling, 42 minute ago selling. So it's all product is selling good. This is store, I can track any kind of Shopify store, and it's selling or not selling, then I can understand it's winning or not winning. So here is a marketing strategy. I can run campaign, everything. So here is all portfolio there, and I can do copywriting every any kind of Shopify store product and e-commerce development. So here is some example my copywriting. So let's check. Let's see. I wrote this description. Yeah, I wrote description and give image making and image, everything I wrote, and I everything I making. So here is my criteria, and I am my style. And first, when I select any product, then I check also product live selling and product create date and product like comment share still not right now. Then I select any product. So hopefully you understand my style, work style, and everything. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.